Okay, I would like to thank you to my state EPO. Okay, we thank you Pakistan, we thank you Khayberpختونخوا, we thank you the tourism of Khayberpختونخوا. We also thank you our Mr. Saiah who bring us here, help us, especially the army who welcome us, take care of us. Okay, and then I would like to say thank you again, thank you and thank you. Right.
We start. Oh, hi, my name is Wazi Abdul Hamid. I'm come from Malaysia. This is my third time coming to Islamabad, and today we ride motorcycle from Islamabad to Swat, and we have a very good journey today. We stopped at the place whereby we can have a very fresh cane drinks, and also we have a very good lunch somewhere in the middle between Islamabad to Swat. And we have a very good experience in terms of riding all the way. We met a lot of good people, but we think that tomorrow we can have a more scenic view, because today definitely riding all the way from Islamabad to Swat with a very good experience. Anyway, we think safe to ride here. You know, we have 20 or more than 22 guys from Malaysia. We ride and we really enjoy it, and we are very welcomed by those people, a local from Pakistan. Pakistan Zindabad.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Shahruzaman bin Abdul Halim, President of Ipoh Bikers Club. We come from Malaysia. Today there are 22 of us having a very good experience riding motorcycle in Pakistan. We started in Islamabad, and then to now we are in Swat, and we have very good welcoming committee. We have escort by the police personnel, and it is very good to care for our safety. And we have a very good stay yesterday in Islamabad at a good hotel, and today the food is marvelous. Everywhere is marvelous, and we hope that this experience will make us remember for the lifetime of us. Most of us, except for 5 of us, most of us are first timers, and we hope that we can make it happy so that we can come again to Pakistan. So thank you.